let's address those challenging hard water stains on your windows. They might be tough, but we've got the solution. Squeeze some fresh lemon or pour bottled lemon juice into water. Lemon's natural acidity is perfect for this job. Dip a cloth into our lemony solution. Make sure it's nicely soaked. It's your main tool against those stains. Gently rub the stains with your cloth. The acid in the lemon breaks down the mineral deposits. Once you've tackled the stains, rinse the window with water. It helps in removing any lemon leftovers. Finish by drying the window with a clean cloth. It's all about leaving that perfect streak-free shine. And just like that, your windows are free from hard water stains and sparkling clean. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time.